hustling till a nigga brain crack. Never see me on my ass. Never see me on my ass. Plenty nights in that cold house, ain't got my hands out. Only a couple niggas know what them bands bout. Vacant condos, numerous bank accounts. Big dogs at the table talking big amounts. They couldn't fathom I'm trying to get to a palace. Tucked off in the cuts, it don't show up on the map. I ain't getting no rap money, so I don't even rap. I just do this shit for fun, get the stress off my back. More guns, less love. Ask the nigga if he care, he just drug. He give a fuck about his plug and taking care of his son. Damn right, it's all worth it when that shit in the trunk. And that's what separate the men from the boys and these punks. See the real from the fake, I learned the game from my uncle. Got the game from my pops, got the game from the slums. Monopolized the game, had it on lock from the jump. Nigga, I don't even rap, I don't even rap. I done came a long way from selling them 5 sacks. I ain't going back to that. I ain't going back to that. Never see me on my ass, never see me on my ass. I'ma hustle until a nigga brain crack.
Yeah,
Never see me on my ass.
Gully.
Never see me on my ass.
I'm talking about monopoly, focusing on property. Climbing to the top, it's lonely, I don't need no company. Thousandaire, comma me, President Obama me. Shoot fly, don't you bother me, bitch, I'm the truth, don't lie to me. I was in the struggle, ain't no going back to that again. She don't wanna fuck, I give a fuck, I better ask a friend. Dirty Sprite, cookies in my blunt, can't get my ass to stand. Move behind the scene and get my cream, that was the master plan. Coaching Greg Popovich, shooting game pop a bitch. Dope like I'm copping bricks, I come from where they popping sticks. Hold tie up your moccasins, finna walk a long mile. I been on my cheddar chase, blessed that I ain't on trial. Dead up in the coffin sick, Cookie got me coughing quick. Giant on some coughlin' shit, MIA ain't no dolphin shit. Just trying to get my cabbage up, riding with a package tuck. Came up out the Aqueducts, now a nigga stacking tough.
I don't even rap, I don't even rap. I done came a long way from selling them 5 sacks. I ain't going back to that.